Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to go over Giddha fill number 2. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Before we start breaking down this fill, I just wanted to mention that you'll need to know this before moving on to the next video where we cover the final part of the Bhangra invasion set. After that video, we'll move on to something new. To make this easy for you guys, I've broken down the fill into 3 parts. In part 1, the bowls are ge na ge ge na ge ge na ge na ge ge na ge ge na. To help you guys follow along, what I'll do is I'll play this for you slowly and then we'll increase the speed. Part 2 is played ge na da ge na. This sequence is also played 4 times. Like in part 1, I'll play this for you slowly and then we'll gradually increase the speed. That way you guys can follow along. Part 3 is the Giddha roll that we covered in the most recent Simply Dhol video. That roll itself is played twice, followed by a Tehai. Since that roll should be fresh in your mind, we'll go over the Tehai portion. To refresh your memory, a Tehai is a sequence of beats that are repeated 3 times. The bowls for this Tehai are as follows. Din, ge na ge na da. Din, ge na ge na da. Then ge na ge na da. wraps up this video lesson on Giddha fail number 2. If you guys found it useful, be sure to hit the like button. Before I let you guys go, I just wanted to thank you for all the comments on the previous video. I do read them. There's one specific comment that I wanted to address because I'm sure it'll be useful to you guys. That comment is by Harsh Tavar and it reads, "Can you help explain what we can do to better help us learn how to play those double nas or gays? It seems like you have some sort of bounce technique instead of individual strikes." That is an excellent question. Just to give you some insight on what I do, every time I play like a double na or a double gay, I always play the first strike slightly lighter than the second. So to give you an example, if I'm playing 2 gays, it would be like... And as you can notice, I'm playing the first one slightly lighter. So when you speed it up, you're not playing... There's a little bit of a finesse to it. So you're playing light, hard, light, hard, light, hard. And you can kind of see the same thing on the treble side as well. And just to give you an example of what both of these would sound like, it'd be as follows. I hope that answers your question. If anyone else has any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to address them as best as I can, whether it be a response in the comment section or maybe a response in the next video. Thank you guys for watching as always. I'll see you next time.